are the core of our society. Their countless sacrifices have helped shape the world we live in today. Good morning, everyone. This is Aisha Haq, and today I would like to honor one of India's most cherished humanitarians. He was a role model and an inspiration for many. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a renowned jurist, economist, and political leader. He was born to Bhimbai and Ramji on 14th April 1891. Most of us would know about his contribution to the Dalit and marginalized communities. He himself, being a Dalit, made all the more efforts to change hierarchical structure of Indian society. In 1923, he set up the Bahishkriti Hitkarni Sabha, meaning the Outcasts Welfare Association, and in 1927 he demanded public drinking water sources for Dalits and the rights to enter temples for all. Alongside fighting for the rights of lower castes, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also played a huge role in framing the constitution of our country. He has studied the constitution of over 60 countries and was known to be a wise constitutional expert. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar had advocated extensive social and economic rights for women and laid emphasis on religious, caste, and gender equality. He was a firm believer of education and stated that it is the right weapon to cut social slavery, and it is education which will enlighten the downtrodden masses to come up and gain social status, economic betterment, and political freedom. One of his most famous slogans was educate, agitate, organize, which filled our citizens with the importance of education. All the things he has done has led our society to a path of freedom, equality, and fraternity. This phenomenal man has truly defined what it means to be a humanitarian, one who has contributed all for the welfare of society. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I am Arnav Chokse from Class 5B, Mount Carmel School. Today, I am going to share my thoughts on the topic honesty. Honesty is always admired by people in society. It is one of the greatest human qualities. An honest person will choose the path of truth and be virtuous throughout his life. Thomas Jefferson has rightly said that honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. The character of an honest person is free from deceptions and accompanies truthfulness. They never misbehave or be involved in any bad activities. They follow high moral standards and ethics. The policy of honesty makes our life peaceful. When someone digs up honesty, then they loses his soul. Remember that honesty makes people happy and most importantly peaceful. So, we should be honest to enjoy every moment of our life. Thank you.